If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today, I'm happy to introduce you to the 33 West bag, a Hils handmade pattern. Let me show you some of the amazing features of this bag. So the first thing, everything on this bag has something special. So on my front panel here, you have this large slip pocket, a beautiful decorative accent. This pocket, I chose to use solid vinyls here, but you could definitely go ahead and use a print or something you want to showcase right on this front pocket. That would be amazing. On the back, you have a zipper pocket with a decorative overlay. And it's an okay sized pocket. Along the sides, you have these decorative accents that also are the connectors of the bag. I've done a double-sided strap with this one, so I'm bringing the brown onto the inside with the yellow and then transitioning from the brown to the yellow here. I think it's just such an amazing bag to do with two tones that go really well together. On the inside, well, as you can see here, let me do it up first. It has a recessed zipper to hold everything you need in place. On one side, it has a little zipper pocket here as well as a slip pocket here. And on this side, we have a slip pocket with a decorative accent on it as well to bring some of the outside of the bag in. It's quite spacious inside. Yeah, she's pretty. I really enjoyed making this one. Not only to mention this amazing decorative accent around the outside, which just ties it all together. I just think she is a super classy. This one I have made as a shoulder bag. You could definitely alter it to have a crossbody strap here. I didn't do a crossbody strap on this one mainly because of this mustard vinyl. I cannot get it anymore, so if somebody's looking to buy this, this is the last of the mustard vinyl that I picked up when I was down in Indonesia a year ago. Anyways, if you're one of my clients and you would like to order one of these, you know what to do. All my information is down below. And if you're part of my bag makers community, there is a tutorial on this one. If it's not up yet, it will be up shortly. Anyways, until the next one, I'll see you guys again. Bye.